Okay, we are on. Hello everyone, this is Hugo from SSW, and I'm with the EasyLeave team for today's sprint review. So EasyLeave is part of TimePro, and it's a cool tool to help you manage your leave requests. Let's jump into the summary email. So for this sprint, we had many goals, and we achieved most of them. We finished the log of timesheets created by EasyLeave. We updated the leave length calculation according to the accountant's feedback, and we implemented lots and lots of UI and UX feedback all across the board. We did not manage to record V2 of the video we discussed last sprint, Adam, but this will be our top priority for next sprint. So let's have a look at the backlog. So you can see lots of duns in there, and that's mostly UI UX polish. So the cool things in there, the first one is pretty important. It's the feedback from Stefan and the accountants. So we updated the way we deal with lunch breaks and how we manage partial days and multiple days. So maybe I won't go into details, but now this is looking good, and Stefan and Jimmy approved this. So, and we updated sugar learning too, I think. We added this ability to override the lunch break when you create a new leave. And yeah, that's pretty much about it.
Okay, I can see from that screenshot and from the requirements that there's a bit of logic there.
Yeah.
So if somebody looks at that override question mark and they go, sorry, what's that going to do? You know, you should put a link, you know, at least some tooltip or something, so you get the essence of what it does, because you're just going to create confusion.
There's a V3 PBI of that, or there's a V3 of that PBI with extra refinement to make it even better.
Yeah.
Okay. And you'll also see that today I sent you an email with a screenshot that has options of a completely different screen. And I think all the dates and times and the time less was all centered. Yeah. So just have a look at that. But I believe those fields.
Yeah, I think I saw it in your screenshot that some dates were centered. That's a bit weird. Well, I thought we saw this one. That's
odd. Take that offline, but that's odd.
Yeah, we'll have a look.
Just compare them. Okay.
Yeah. Moving on, the next cool thing we did was about public holidays to allow people to create multiple days at once. Do you want to say a few words about this, Chloe, maybe?
Yes. So we added this cool feature to the public holidays page.
That sounds like hacked. Sounds like a copy paste thing.
So before you could only add a public holiday to one group at a time, but now you can add it to multiple groups. So this makes things easier for users, because now for holidays like Christmas, you don't have to add them one by one to each group anymore.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah. Thanks, Chloe.
I'm going to encourage you to type France with a capital F and get rid of test and put another country. I know it's only test data, but try to use realistic data.
Right, you're right. Moving on. That's pretty much it for this backlog. Let's have a look at the usage statistics. We've got one new user this sprint, which is Sam W. And you can see that, even people like Jimmy that already used EasyLeave have created more EasyLeave requests, which is nice.
Right. When was the screenshot taken? Because I tried EasyLeave for the first time today for a few minutes. Yeah, I'm not there.
Yeah, I took this screenshot like 2 hours ago, maybe.
12 hours ago?
2 hours ago.
Oh, 2 hours ago. Oh, well, I already tried it, so maybe I'm at the bottom there. Oh. Am I in there, the stats at all?
Let's check.
Check. Yeah.
Did you create a request? I think you didn't. You clicked around, but you didn't create anything.
Ah, thank you. All right, that's the difference.
Yeah,
Okay.
you have to save your leave request to appear in that.
Got it. Okay, that's cool.
Okay.
No leave for you, Adam.
No.
Yeah.
But do you even take leave? I mean,
Between 1 a.m. and 5 a.m.
during lunch breaks, right?
No. It always works. Anyway.
We did 5 production deployments this sprint, so that's pretty nice. Yeah, that's I think
really
3 more.
awesome.
Yeah,
like you're getting better and better. That's amazing.
that sprint we only did 3, I think, or 2 maybe, and Jean said something about this.
Did I?
Yeah.
I can't remember.
But it was.
Yeah, I'm not surprised at it.
It was 3.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, oh, good. Oh, good.
Although one of these is probably not ours, but it doesn't matter. It counts.
Yes.
It's TimePro. It counts.
Yeah, that's all the TimePro deployments, not just EasyLeave, right?
Okay.
Doesn't matter.
I think we did 4 of them, and one of those deployments is from the TimePro team, I think. But yeah.
All right.
Anyway.
Cool.
I've updated the roadmap to say that we are done with the timesheet integration.
Yep.
And let's have a look at the retrospective really quick. Everyone is happy that we got lots of test pass from Stefan, Jimmy, Dan, and Cookie. So that's really nice. We made good progress on all the UI polish. So that's
Of
awesome.
those 4 people, did all of them give you feedback?
Yes.
Plenty.
Yeah.
Who gave you the most in quantity? Not
Stefan.
effort, just quantity.
I think Stefan. Well, Stefan and Jimmy. Yeah.
Right. Wow.
Yeah.
Hmm.
It was nice to get all that feedback. Really, just helps make the app better. So,
non-surprisingly, the feedback were very different too.
Yeah.
Obviously, because they're looking for different things.
Yes.
Okay. Cool.
Do you want to add something to this at all?
No, I'm very happy. It's so we mistakenly planned for a release last Friday. So we basically were ready for go live last Friday, which was mistaken because I thought the brainstorming was last Friday, which is now a bit further away. But we're even more ready than ever to go live. So we can keep on polishing stuff. But yeah,
we plan on sending the email on Friday.
Friday or Monday, whatever.
Monday, yeah. Very good. Maybe Monday.
I guess it's an Adam decision.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'd like to get my feedback sorted, unless you tell me that it's not important.
Right.
No, I think there's no rush, right? So timing was of the essence when you wanted to release it during brainstorming, but now that we're doing this separately, I think we better wait for an extra day and just add the extra.
Yeah, clearly. Yeah.
It's no point rushing it.
I agree.
There is one item, that we didn't discuss. If you scroll back to your backlog, there is can you go open? There is one to be discussed.
Yeah,
you missed that. Can you open the actual backlog?
Yes.
There is one item that wasn't closed as done because we
talk about after.
Oh, sorry.
The planning, but yeah,
apologies
because it's there now.
Oh, the other one. This one we discussed.
Yes,
that's the one.
Yes.
So you wanted to consider adding the sick emoji to the sick today button, and it looks pretty bad. Did you include a screenshot?
Oh, yes.
Yes. That's not the sick emoji. The sick emoji is green.
The one that vomits is even worse. No, it's
not vomiting. It's just a green face.
It's a big no.
No.
What?
What are you talking about?
We all disagree.
Yep.
What do you think, Mish?
I mean, that is
open it.
Yeah, but that is the sick emoji.
There's nothing wrong with it.
Yeah. So what's wrong with this? Yeah, that one that you've got in the chat is like I'm going to be sick. whereas the one with the thermometer coming out is the one that's like most
Let's
people
just not
use
put
for
an
like.
emoji on that button altogether.
So
there's nothing wrong with it.
Look at that. It's disgusting. No,
Yeah.
it's a big
Not
no.
disgusting. It just means you're.
yeah, I don't
Yes,
like the green one. I preferred the other one.
Yeah.
The other one is you have to look at it closely. If you aren't wearing glasses, you can't tell the difference. That's the
But
only
also,
one.
is anyone
obvious.
red-green colorblind? Because if you're red-green colorblind, you cannot see that emoji.
I'm sure there's a
That's a
million
fair point.
reasons.
Yeah, well, if you're
Is
completely
any-
blind, you can't see either.
Is anyone red-green colorblind in
Well,
like?
If they are, they can still read the word sick. So
Yeah,
I just
but then
yeah.
it just looks like a bigger button. So you could just get rid of the emoji.
I don't want to get rid of the emoji. I like it. I think it's cool.
Yeah,
Look,
I would prefer the
usual.
one with the thermometer because it's quite
Yeah,
easy.
I
to
like
tell.
the thermometer one too, but I also know it's yellow and it looks like any other one. But this one stands out.
I didn't notice that it looked like any. It looked exactly like the sick emoji. Yeah, that
At
one.
the end of the day, you're paying the bill. You want it, we add it. But for the
Yeah.
record, we all agreed it's a bad idea.
I know what that is the one with the thermometer. It is
Yeah.
too subtle. No.
You reckon?
Yeah, like
So you overrule everybody. That's fine, no problems. We can put in the PBI. For the record, everybody disagrees, but we will add the emoji, no problems.
Okay, cool.
Cool.
The sick green one. Oh
Yeah.
God. Yep. Hey, I don't make the rules.
That's okay.
At the end of the day, he's paying the bill, you know.
Yeah.
He wants the eggplant emoji. We put the eggplant emoji, no problem. That's your problem.
All right.
Okay.
Can we make that a setting?
Oh goodness.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kidding.
Okay.
Joke.
Yeah. Getting back to the retro.
Just
So
one
nothing
extra
to
in the retro. I think it would be handy if you guys talk to Jack P about the R&D thing, because I think you'll do a better job in putting in experimental stuff. Not the biggest deal in the world, but I think I'd like you to understand when something is R&D. Oh, obviously everything you're doing is R&D, but I want you to identify the quintessential examples.
Okay.
Yep. So you can just email Jack and say, we want some help on the R&D stuff.
Yeah.
Can you give us a call at the end of your day or something?
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
All right.
We'll send him an email then. Yeah. So nothing to add to this retro, Jean or Adam?
Nope.
Ish, if you want to say something. But...
I think this is all good. My other question was, is this available as an app or can we get this like on your phone? And is it easy to complete on phone? Because I'm thinking like, again, if you're sick and in bed, you just want to
You'll most likely
phone.
use it from your phone, yeah.
Yeah. So
yeah,
we've
awesome.
cool, perfect. We've
Have
got
you
a time.
tested it much from phones?
What's that?
Have you guys tested it much from a phone?
Yes.
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Okay. All right, good. Yeah. Like everything we do is responsive, but often it's not quite as good as other things, you know.
Yeah.
'Cause-
And we've
For
tested.
EasyLeave, it's been designed as almost mobile first.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wow.
This is obvious. All okay to access, like on phones aren't in tuned and things like that. I haven't actually tried accessing TimePro yet. Yeah, okay. That's all good.
There is even PBIs to integrate that. There's two more integration points to enter your leave. One would be a Teams app where you basically do the same thing through a Teams app, so it's integrated to Teams. Another thing that is discussed and not yet touched but discussed is an integration through ChatGPT. So an OpenAI semantic kernel integration where you could have natural language. Hey, I want to take leave from blah to blah. Done. But that's further down. But now that the APIs and the logic is implemented, it's really just an interface problem. So perfectly doable.
Yeah. Cool. Okay, let's move on with the planning for the next sprint. So our top goal will be to record those V2 of public videos, Adam, and then we'll keep on working on implementing UI and UX feedback.
If you are about to record the video, but there's UX changes, do the UX changes first.
Yeah, sure.
I would put a caveat to that. The reason we don't have those V2s done this sprint is because we did pretty much UI fixes all sprint long and be like, let's wait for tomorrow. Let's wait for tomorrow. So we have to draw a line in the sand at some point, because otherwise we'll never do it.
Yeah, awesome.
I do agree that there's a trade-off. I think we should implement the settings if we're going to change them before we record.
That won't be the video, so
okay. Well,
yeah,
to be discussed, but we have got to draw a line in the sand.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
In that feedback there, have you got my emails there?
Sorry. The PBI.
Can you fix that before sending this email?
Sure.
It's not in there. Yeah, I think that. Yeah, no worries.
Okay.
But
awesome.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I guess that wraps it up for this sprint review. As usual, the video will be available on TimePro's YouTube channel that you can access on clicking on this red button on the top right here. It was Hugo and the guys from EasyLeave for this sprint review, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Thanks, Hugo.
Done.
Recording terminated.
Okay.